to its aggressive nature, the marine environment presents one of the most demanding challenges for Belzona. It is in this arena that Belzona has proven successful. Belzona has been the leader in polymeric research and development for rebuilding and coating materials designed for harsh environments. With factory-trained consultants in over 140 countries, your ship is never too far from Belzona. Our consultants are available 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. Belzona is ISO certified and is also approved by most major naval classification societies. Now more than ever, the world's economy depends on ships being able to deliver goods. Whether commercial or military, a ship's readiness is of paramount importance to this industry. From bow to stern, keel to topside, inside or out, Belzona will keep your ship running with a minimum amount of downtime and provide the maximum amount of performance. This marine diesel engine block was severely damaged. The conventional approach to this problem would require the block to be replaced. By using Belzona 1000 series material, the block was returned to service at a fraction of the cost of its replacement. Furthermore, this repair was done in place, which added to the overall savings of the repair. This damaged pipe insulation not only decreases the plant's operating efficiency, but poses a safety and environmental health hazard. By using a Belzona 3000 series product, this problem is quickly and permanently eliminated. Its microporosity allows for moisture vapors to escape, while simultaneously sealing and protecting the exterior against water permeation. The friction plates of this pneumatic clutch can be easily bonded in place using a Belzona 2000 series elastomer. Because of the user-friendly characteristics of the Belzona products, this work can be accomplished with the ship's own crew, thereby reducing the cost of the repair. The sealing groove on this cylinder liner was badly corroded and did not properly seal. In this condition, coolant was introduced into the lubrication system. Traditionally, this repair would have involved either welding or total replacement, both extremely costly. By using a Belzona 1000 series material and remachining the groove, the liner is now ready to accept a new seal ring, thus saving the owners countless dollars in downtime. The diaphragm of this low-pressure turbine showed signs of erosion. It was quickly and permanently repaired using a Belzona high-temperature resistance polymeric compound. The propeller shaft of a large yacht showed signs of severe pitting. Traditionally, this repair would have required flame spraying, which would possibly warp the shaft and extensive remachining. The preferred option was to rebuild the shaft using a Belzona 1000 series product. The repair is done at room temperature and at a fraction of the time and cost of conventional alternatives. The shafts were then coated with a cavitation-resistant coating, thus giving them an extra level of protection. Since propellers operate below the water, the ship's crew seldom checks them on their daily maintenance routine. Once out of the water, the cavitation damage becomes clearly evident. By coating the cavitation-prone areas of the propeller with Belzona, you can extend the life of this expensive piece of equipment. These rudder stocks are worn over the bushing areas. The conventional repair would require removing them from the rudders and flame spraying or welding, followed by several man-hours of machine work. The Belzona restoration is done much quicker and completed for a fraction of the cost of conventional repairs. Using a forming technique and a Belzona 1000 series material, the stocks were easily repaired. Bow thrusters are thrown to cavitation damage, as well as erosion-corrosion from entrained solids. Damaged areas are quickly and permanently repaired using Belzona 1000 series coating and rebuilding products. The vanes of this impeller were eroded to such an extent that many areas were actually holed through. Using Belzona's 1000 series products and Belzona know-how, this pump was effectively repaired, saving thousands of dollars in parts and downtime. The casing on this end suction pump is beyond repair by conventional means. The pump was rebuilt using a Belzona 1000 series product to bond a patch over the perforated area. Main and auxiliary condensers can be restored to better than new conditions. With a coating of Belzona 1000 series materials, the galvanic action is completely eliminated, thus providing a permanent solution for the corrosion problem at hand. The mounting plates under this boom-mounted winch in this fishing boat were severely corroded, actually preventing its reattachment. Notice the winch is supported over the mounting areas. The circled area shows the winch foot seated with Belzona. Using this procedure, the vessel was put into service the next day. Had they opted to weld, it would have taken an entire day just to get the necessary permit from the Coast Guard. Conveyor belts used to load and unload cargo can be quickly repaired in place using Belzona 2000 series elastomers. This saves substantial time and eliminates the need for hot vulcanizing equipment. Floating hoses used to unload tankers are a constant target for damage caused from wear or mishaps. These hoses are extremely expensive to replace, and a leak in one could result in a major oil spill. Belzona 2000 series elastomers enables repairs to these hoses to be done quickly and effectively. Leaking ports present many hazards, which could include exposing expensive electronics to moisture. These leaks are easily repaired in place using a Belzona 2000 series elastomer. The same system can also be used to reform worn or distorted gaskets on watertight doors. Because of a ship's motion and wet environment, the decks are likely to be slip hazards. Belzona grip systems over these areas increase the traction, creating a non-slip surface. Belzona's involvement in the marine industry spans many decades. Worldwide recognition by shipping companies, independent licensing entities, and individual ship owners demonstrates its resolve and commitment to solving the industry's maintenance and repair problems. The diverse nature of the various repair solutions allows for fast, cost-effective repairs, whether it be at high seas or at your port of call. Why not allow Belzona know-how to start working for you today?